Welcome to another video of Dodge Neon Racing. Well, today, this video, we're doing a little bit work on the Neon here. And what we're doing today is the overhead light, which, get this to focus here, is $579. Now, in order to do the overhead light, you're going to need the bulb. I got one over here. No, I don't. Let me get back in the PT Cruiser. But you're just going to need one other tool, which should have access right quickly. How this works? Flathead screwdriver. So you need bulbs and a flathead. Alright. Don't mind the mess here. But you'll come up here and just pull down. Let me get that again so you guys can see it. Oh, that's actually falling out. Hold on. So you get it up right here. Let me set y'all down for a second. Mercy, I tell you, things just don't work right sometimes. Slide that back in. There we go. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, you get your flathead and you'll pop it down like that. And a lot of times it will fall like that. And get your bulb. Make sure that's turned off. And then you'll slide the bulb in its socket. Oh, if I could. There we go. You pop it in. Slide that back. Make sure that's in smooth. Then pop it back up. Now let's check. Well, shut the door. And I'm not getting nothing. Might have to turn the key. Let me find my keys here. But you can also have this same trouble as I'm having right here. Alright. Everything comes on. If you have a fuse issue, it will state it right here. It'll flash fuse. If not, there we go. Now she's working. Alright, turn her off. Take key out, comes on. Turns off, turns on. Alright, now let's see if it doesn't come on when I open the door. So, that means there's an issue with the switch right here. So I have to see if it's actually plugged in or whatnot. Or it could just be bad. But that's how you put in a new dome light bulb. You can always keep the other one in there. But thanks again for y'all watching. Y'all subscribe if you can. Comment below, because I always answer my comments. Alright, thank you much, and y'all have a blessed day.